Hello everyone, in this video we will be exploring the sequence data types in Python. Next, moving on to tuples. So tuples are a data structure in Python which offer unique features and use cases. We will be exploring tuples in detail and covering their properties, operations and various methods available for processing them. So let's begin with a quick overview of tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but with a crucial difference. They are immutable. That means once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be modified. This makes tuples suitable for situations where data integrity is paramount. To create a tuple, we enclose the elements within parentheses, and let's look at an simple example for creating a tuple. Let's clear our code and let us say my tuple, and we can equate it to, let us say, 1, 2, 3, and let us also add the other elements. Let us say a comma, let us say b, and also let us add one more element that is from a different data type. Let us say 3.14, that is the value of pi, which is a floating point value. So now let's just print it out. It is going to print all the elements which are present inside the tuple. Now the key feature of tuples is their immutability. Now, once a tuple is created, you cannot exchange, add or remove the elements. This immutability makes them valuable for representing fixed collections of data. Now, tuples also support unpacking and allowing us to assign values to multiple variables in a single line. So, let us do that. Let's remove the code. Let us say coordinates. And let's equate them to two elements like 5, 8, and let us say x, y equals coordinates. Now just print it out. Let us say with the formatted printing, let us say x equals the value of x, and this, then let's put a comma there, and let's also assign the value of y, and it is going to assign x as 5 and y as 8 as we want, as we intended. Next, let us look into some of the methods which are available for processing the tuples. While tuples are immutable, there are operations which we can perform such as concatenation and repetition. So let's go back to our code and let's remove this. And let's start with another tuple one. Let us say tuple t1 equals, we have the numbers 1, 2 and 3, and let us say we have another tuple t2 as, let us say a, and let us say b. So we have got two tuples and let us concatenate them. So let us say concat equals, let us say tuple t1 t2. So just by using the plus symbol we can concatenate the two tuples. So let's just print it out. Print. So let us just save it and let's run the code, and it, as we can see here, it is now giving a single tuple which contains the elements of both the tuples t1 and t2. Likewise, we can also repeat the tuples. So just by using a simple line of code, let us say repeated equals, let us say tuple t1, and let's say it is going to be repeated 3 times. So now just print it out. So it is going to give us 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 repeated 3 times. So we have done some of the methods which are used for processing the tuples. The main advantage of tuples is their immutability, which makes them suitable for the scenarios where the data should remain constant, such as representing the coordinates and configurations. Tuples are powerful and often underutilized in Python programming. Understanding their immutability and leveraging specific methods for processing can enhance the ability of code to work with data effectively.